Hello guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to my channel. There's beautiful Honey right there sleeping. Honey, say hi. She's so cute. Anyway, welcome to my channel. My name is Martha and I have a super cute Easter slash spring slash summer craft, and I'm using all Dollar Tree items, and I am putting it in the terrace in my backyard. So I hope that you will join me today in making this craft. I'm using some of the items that I hauled in my Dollar Tree haul, my last one. I hope that you will join me, and the items that I bought are still available at Dollar Tree. So if you like it, I hope that you take a trip there, pick up the things you need, and that you make one for yourself. So thank you for joining me today. I have more Easter crafts coming up, and also I told you in, I think in the last video, I'm going to share with you something that we are doing to lose a little bit of weight, and I will share that with you in a separate video that's coming up as well. And I think that's it. So let's get started on this craft, and I hope to see you soon. Mwah. Bye guys. Here are the things I'm planning to use for this next craft. All Dollar Tree items, and I think it's going to be super cute. You can use this either inside or outside. I might be just putting this in my garden outside. So let's get started. So I'm going to start out by using the Flowers and Garden metal pot. I'm sure you've seen them in Dollar Tree. They're so pretty. And I'm going to start hot gluing my floral foam inside. I want there to be 2 levels. I want it to be higher in the center than in the sides, and I'll show you when I'm done how it looks. And this is how it looks when I'm done, and you can just do it whichever way you want if you decide to make this project. Next, it's time to hot glue the carrots on top of the floral foam. These carrots are so pretty. I got 2 orange and 2 yellow, and they do have a little bit of glitter on them. I don't know if the camera will capture it, but they're really pretty. And like I said, I want the 2 outer carrots to have a little bit of a lower level than the 2 center ones. And of course, we're going to have carrots growing at all different stages. So we have some really medium-sized ones and some really small ones, which we are going to hot glue as well. And they also have a wooden piece, which makes it really easy to hot glue them to the floral foam. After I finish hot gluing the carrots, I am going to start adding the floral moss. I picked the brown one because I wanted it to look like dirt. So I'm going to start adding that to make sure that I cover all the floral foam and all the wood that the carrots are standing on. And of course, we know that carrots don't completely grow out of the dirt, but this is just a DIY, just a whimsical craft, which is so colorful and beautiful. And the next step is we are going to put the sign that I bought, which says, "Welcome to our patch." I am going to cut out the carrots that are on here and just use the part of the sign. I will be saving the carrots that I cut out for another project. I don't know which yet, but I don't throw anything out that I think I could use at a later date. So in order to hot glue this to the pot, I will be needing to hot glue some of the Jenga blocks and some of the craft sticks just to balance out the sign, because as you can see, the pot is not completely flat, it's at an angle. So I'm going to use those in order to be able to level the sign onto the pot. After I've hot glued the sign onto the pot, then I'm going to bring out the little bunny butts that I showed you in my previous short and Dollar Tree haul, because I am going to use some wooden skewers to hot glue them to the back of the bunny butts, because certainly our carrot patch is going to have some bunnies digging into the dirt to eat our carrots. And here it is. I have added a little bit of the garland that I used for the garland around my fireplace. And I have added a little bit of baby's breath on each side of the sign. This is such a cute DIY, you guys. It's inexpensive for just a few bucks. Look what a beautiful, whimsical, and colorful spring and summer decor that you can put either in the house or outside where your garden is. Like I said, the carrots have a little bit of glitter. I'm trying to pick it up with the camera now. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna take you out to my terrace now. It's outside in my terrace, and I have a beautiful carrot patch with some little bunnies trying to get in there and eating the carrots. My candle. I have my wind chimes. I'm sure you can hear them. Over here, I have a statue of the Blessed Mother of Jesus, and right above the statue, I have a candle with Jesus on it. Over here, I have 2 bird feeders and a little fountain that I keep filled with water for them. And here is a little video of these beautiful parrots that come to my feeder every once in a while. I get a lot of blue jays. Here is a cardinal, and I just love bird watching and just relaxing outside. And it's a really nice place, especially when the weather's a little cooler. We don't see too many hummingbirds here in South Florida. I love those little birds. And look at this hibiscus flower. Isn't it beautiful? Sometimes I get a glimpse of a hummingbird feeding from these beautiful flowers, and what a treat that is. And over here next to this column, I have a beautiful flower plant that it's the type that just, it's a vine plant, and I'm hoping it will just attach itself to this column that I have here, and I think that will look really pretty. So thank you so much for touring my little terrace with me and for joining me today for this video. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you again on my upcoming videos. Take care. Until next time. Bye, guys.